Hey everyone, welcome back to 5-Day Crypto. My name is Chase. Today we are going to talk about Litecoin US dollar. On this channel we like to focus on bigger time frames, more charts, more facts, less news, less hype. So if you like that, if you like the content, please give us a like on the video, subscribe to our channel, follow us on Twitter, Telegram, and our newly launched Patreon if you'd like to learn more. On Patreon, you're going to get a weekly video, you're going to get daily chart updates that are only shown on there. So let's go ahead and get right on it. Litecoin is the current number 9 ranked coin. We're up over 10% in market cap in the past 24 hours. We've had a nice bounce. Litecoin could be breaking out again soon. We're going to show you today some levels to watch, what to look for next on the daily and the weekly time frames. So currently just over 225, 226 right now, up 10% as well on price. So let's go ahead and jump to the chart. And we have our trend channel here shown on the daily chart. And this is Litecoin again versus the US dollar. You've seen our top test here in the green circles, top test again. And where we think we could be going in the coming weeks is up in this area. So what we want to look for first is a break of our top line. That would give us our new local high. We want a daily candle close above here. You can see we've had a few wicks up in this area. So current local top is around 250. But we've never had a daily close above 237. 238 is our max level on a daily close. That's what this line is here. Now, if we want to continue to go up towards this will be our first thing to look for. Also, this is the median line of the trend channel. So this will act as minor support and resistance as we move up to it. So that's step one, clear 233 to 234. Next step is kind of right the same area, right? We should get some decent momentum out of it, pushing us higher. And if after we've tested the bottom of a channel, usually you're going to test the top of the channel. Look down here. Top relative to the bottom. Top relative to the bottom. Top. So that's why we project this. Now, how do we project how long this is going to take? Why did we draw this here? Well, I'm glad you asked. So now we've got our moving averages back on. Let's get our measuring tool out and let's see how long these moves took. Let's see the first one, our last move from our low to our top is about 23, 24 days, right? So I wonder what the one before that was. Let's go look. From our bottom to our up move, 27 to 29. So we tested it for a few days, right? So up to 30 days, about a month. Maybe the first case, 27 days. So let's look at where we're currently at now. Here's our bottom. So that would put us between 24 to 28 days. If we go to 30, that puts us right at the end of March. So the $300 Litecoin is technically possible for the month of March. If we were to break out of this trend channel on or before this date, we want to hold this top line as support because right now it's resistance. Anytime you come up to a line multiple times, that is a resistance point. If you can break out of that and come back and hold it as support, that's a very bullish sign. More than likely, you're going to go higher after that, much higher. So our current all-time high, and I'm talking all-time high for Litecoin, let's remove these drawings and let's put it on the weekly. All-time high, at least on Coinbase, is right at 420. Make the jokes all that you'd like, but we could be headed there relatively soon. So as we move up here, if we were to break our all-time high and go higher than that and then come back, we want to hold that previous all-time high here at 420 at support. If that is to come, we would expect all other altcoins would be also doing quite well, and maybe we get another mini alt season or full-blown alt season. If Bitcoin can calm down after this, whatever move it's on. You know that this morning Bitcoin has now gone above $60,000 and is back in price discovery mode. So great for the time being for Bitcoin. maybe not so great for altcoins as far as big moves. Now, altcoins should get dragged up with Bitcoin just because Bitcoin's looking bullish, but altcoins usually can't put in massive moves against Bitcoin and against USD while Bitcoin has the spotlight, so to speak. So we want Bitcoin to do well, do its moves, and then just take a nap for a little bit, just hold out where it's at. And that's where we're seeing alts explode. So that's what we're looking for Litecoin in the coming days and weeks. We want to first break above that 240 level. We don't seem too far from it now, do we? So look at also where we interacted with this level before. Look at the double top back in 2018. It's been 3 years since we've been anywhere close to this level. So we break this. Maybe we go next to 300, right? Look at some previous candles back here, right? We're still right around that 300 mark. So when you're looking at new levels to watch for, you got to look back in history to see if it's ever been touched before. So 305, 300 to 305 will be another little level. If we break through that, then you guessed it, we're going up here. Zooming back in on Litecoin, the moving averages are starting to pull away again. Look at these big moves. When you start to separate your moving averages, getting a lot of daylight inside of here, see all the distances? See the distances? The farther away these get, the more bullish the move you can make. So look at what's happening. This 21-day EMA is peeling off again. Hopefully we get another upturn, just like this back in here. Maybe we have another big move coming. Maybe look how it starts breaking away here. So history doesn't repeat, but it often rhymes, especially in crypto. So watch this for the next few days and weeks. Hopefully you got some Litecoin. If you don't, you're thinking about getting some. Usually your 21-day in a bull market is a pretty good buy level. Not financial advice. Nothing I give is financial advice. You got to do your own research. But if you want some more help, follow our channel. I appreciate you being here. Thanks so much. Have a great weekend. And let's go crypto.